Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and share Discord server link. Here's how to find and share your Discord server link. The first thing you like to do is to log into your Discord web app. And once you log in, on the left navigation panel, go ahead and select the server you want to share the link for. So this is the left navigation panel, and I have clicked on this server, the AFI server. So to get a server invite link, you need to be either a server admin or have the necessary permissions. Now in the server, click on the downward arrow that is next to the server name at the top left navigation panel. So once you click on that, you'll be provided with a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select invite people. So you have invite people, server list, server settings, create channel, create category, and even down to hide muted channels. So click on invite people. Now this will open a window where you can generate a server invite link. You will see a server invite link under the invite your friend option here. So click on copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Now if you want the link to never expire, just go ahead and click on the edit invite link hyperlink there and adjust the number of users if necessary. So adjust the expire after, choose the number of days that you want that, and here we have maximum number of users, adjust it. And once you adjust, go ahead and click on generate a new link. Alternatively, you can click on this send invite to send the invite directly to a specific Discord user by searching the Discord user here and clicking on invite button right next to the name. Now, once you've copied the link, you can share it with anyone via messages, email, or other social media platforms. Simply paste the link wherever you want to share it, and users can click to join the server. You can customize the invite link to control how long it lasts and how many users it has. For example, you can set it to expire in 24 hours or allow it to be used only 10 times. So if you do not see the invite people option, you may not have the required permission. So just contact the server owner or an admin for help. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.